Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do an oil change on my BMW M3. I'm gonna try to record the whole process and show you guys all the steps that I do so that in case you guys are trying to do this at home, you guys are able to follow along with me. Alright, so now we'll just go ahead and get the car lifted up and go ahead and get started. So for this oil change, we're gonna be using liquid moly. I got the kit from FCP Euro. Alright guys, the car is jacked up. You're going to want to make sure that it's jacked up on all 4 points so that the oil can drain properly. So before you start draining anything, you want to make sure that you take this cap and this cap off so that way the airflow can help drain out the oil. And this was going to be a 36mm socket. Alright, so down here there's 2 drain plugs, one right here, one right here. I think we're supposed to drain this one out first and then this one while it's draining. I think both of these are going to be 2 6mm hex bits. Hey guys, I wasn't able to record the actual draining process. My phone died while I was recording, but I did let the car drain for about 15 minutes. You want to let it drain, you know, a good little bit just to make sure you can get all the oil out. I would recommend at least letting it drain for about 5 minutes, but I prefer to do about 15. Alright guys, so you want to make sure that you put oil on the 2 O-rings that come on with this, and prime the oil filter housing and the oil filter itself before you start the car anyways. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the car with oil. I'm only gonna put about 8 1/4 to 8 1/2 quarts just to see where the levels are at. And another thing, if you dump your old oil in these new containers and send it back to FCP Euro, you can get a refund as store credit. You just gotta make sure to send it back in like its original packaging. And you can even send the oil filter back and should get a refund for it too. Alright guys, so I drove around for about 10-15 minutes. Now you can see that it's showing me my oil level. So it's a bit too high. You usually want it right in the middle between those two. But I ended up filling up the car with about 8 3/4 quarts. So it's a little bit too much, but next time I'm definitely gonna just stick to about 8 1/4 and then check my levels and see if I need to add any. I would definitely suggest you sticking to about 8 1/4, no more than 8 1/2, just until you are able to check your levels, and then, you know, you can just add whatever if you need some. Alright guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Thank you guys again for watching. I hope this was helpful for some of you, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I'm gonna be posting a lot more car content very soon, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.